Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, today I'll be doing an unboxing of an item that I just got from DHgate, and it is a wallet, and it's a Louis Vuitton wallet, and this is the packaging that came in like this. Typical DHgate packaging. So I'm gonna open it for you. Gosh, it's really sticky. Now this is the multiple wallet in the Monogram Eclipse. It's in the plastic. Got the Louis Vuitton writing and the logo there. Take this plastic off. Take this off. And that's what it looks like. It's really, really nice. Really good. It's in the lovely Monogram Eclipse canvas. That's the front and this is the back. When you open the wallet, everything lines up very, very good. Your LVs, your circles, your quarterfoil flowers all line up perfectly. I love the Monogram Eclipse. It's because it's black and grey and it's more it's a manly canvas, the Monogram Eclipse. I also have this in the normal Monogram and I like that too, but I wanted to get the Eclipse, you know, check that out. But yeah, I really like it. It's really, really good. Over the wallet there, you have a picture here for, you know, here you could put your driving license or, you know, picture of your family or whatever there. Here you got place for 3 card slots here. Put your debit card, put your credit card, your Oyster card or whatever, traveling card. Open that out again and you got another window here. So you could put another picture or whatever, or a license or whatever there. And again for another 3 card slots here. So you got 6 card slot all in all. You got the Louis Vuitton Paris made in France heat stamp there, which is very good too. The stitching on the wallet is alright, it's okay. Yeah, not bad of stitching, as you can see. And inside the wallet is black inside, and outside it's got that beautiful grey and black Monogram Eclipse, which is really, really good. Now, as I said, I got this from DHgate. I think it was £10, I believe I paid. I ordered it last week and it's literally taken 1 week to come here, so the shipping is quite good. It's actually quite quick. I was expecting this to come in 2 weeks time, but it's really taken 1 week, so really good. If you haven't bought from DHgate before, I recommend it because, you know, they do loads of things like Louis Vuitton and Gucci and whatever, Christian Louboutin, whatever, all these high-end luxury designer items. Now, if you went to the real Louis Vuitton store, I think this wallet would have cost, I think, around about £600 mark. If you got that kind of money, yes, do it, buy the real thing. But if you don't have that kind of money, or you just want to see what it's like to have a Louis, and then when you do eventually get the real thing, then, you know, then at least you know what it's going to look like. So that's why I buy from DHgate. So then I know when I do get the real thing, then I know what it's going to look like. But yeah, really good. You know, you can't go wrong. £10, it's nothing. As you can see, it looks really good. DHgate, very nice indeed. Yeah, let me know if you bought things from DHgate. Let me know if you like the Monogram Eclipse canvas. I love it. It's really good. Very manly. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to leave it here. Thank you so much for watching today. You have a nice day. Bye.